Hey, what's up guys, how's it going now? Today I'm going to show you guys how to delete your PS4 user accounts. Now this will work with your PS4 original, your PS4 Slim, or even the PS4 Pro. Now once you turn on your PS4 and you get on the screen, the first thing you want to do, log into your account, because as you can see here, I do have lots of these accounts here, and none of these I do not need at all. So once you log into an account, let me log into this one here. You want to go on top here. You want to scroll all the way to the right where it says settings. Then once you go to the settings, you want to scroll down where it says login settings. Now once you're here, you want to go all the way down where it says user management. Then you could either create your user or you could delete the user. So let me delete, and as you can see, all the accounts that I had in the beginning, all of them are right here. So all you have to do is you want to click on it, click on X, you want to go to delete, and right now it's deactivating the account, and from here it's going to say the user will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? You say yes, and this will delete all the user information, including the screenshots, any pictures, or any saved game profiles, anything like that. It's going to delete everything from that user account. So as you can see, we could do it again for the next account. So let me click on delete. It's deactivating. Yes. Deleting user. User deleted. And then you want to click again, and you want to keep on going all the way down until you got all of the users deleted. So if I click on this account here and I choose delete, as you can see, it says if you delete this user, the user's saved data, screenshots, video clips will be deleted from the PS4. So you got to keep that in mind. So if you're gonna do this to one of your users, so let me click on delete, deactivating. Okay, from here you want to click on OK. You want to click yes. And keep in mind that my PS4 is not connected to the internet. You don't have to be connected in order to delete the users. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. It was just a quick video on how to deactivate and how to delete your users off of your PS4. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.